babes, welcome back to my channel. It is day number 9. Yeah, day number 9 of BELLAmas. Oh my gosh. Babes, I've been so crazed that the last couple of BELLAmases have gone up like after midnight on the next day. So I'm going to try my best to get this up before midnight. I'm just using the new Summer Fridays CC Me Serum Advent Calendar for Cult Beauty. I've been really impressed with Cult Beauty thus far, like really impressed. Let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to keep that Advent Calendar for next year as well. I think I'm definitely gonna do the wine again next year. I'm having a good time with that one too. Having a real good time with that one. And then I wanna take my gummies that I got also from Cult Beauty. These are really good. The jury's out if they're actually effective, but they do taste really, really good. All right, today I'm going to use Mother Pat. I think today's a Mother Pat day. I know y'all probably saying every day is a Mother Pat day. And it is. I am getting ready, put in 2 skirts today. Getting ready for my chapter meeting. Is it just me or does the weekend fly by like nothing? I feel like I just blinked and it was Saturday already. Go next with this 24-hour concealer that I got from MAC. It's a 24-hour smooth wear concealer. And the brand gave me this and I couldn't be more happy. Gives me just enough of brightness, not as much as my other ones, but it still gives me brightness. But what I love most about this, bam, look at that under eye. Dark circles where? So good. All right, so we're getting ready for that. I'll admit, I'm running behind. I'm usually out the door by this time. Another note. I don't know what to wear today. I don't know what to wear today. I did lay out something to wear for chapter meeting. My green like leather cargo pants and a white cashmere sweater. But I don't feel like I want to wear that. I feel like I want to wear something else. So I don't know what I'm going to do. And like I said, usually I'm on the road by now, so I am struggling to pull it all together, which means I don't have time to really futz about what I'm gonna wear. So as I'm doing my brows, I'm thinking, I'm going through my closet and I'm going through my Rolodex mentally to try to put my outfit together. Babes, question for you guys, men babes too. When you're putting your outfit together, what order do you use to put your outfit together? Do you go shirt first, then pants or skirts or whatever, then shoes, then the whole other ensemble? Or do you go shoes first and then build upwards? Write in the comments below and let me know how you put your outfits together. I build my outfits from the bottom up. So I start with my shoes mentally. What shoes do I want to wear? And that's how I chose the outfit that I chose today, because I was like, oh, I could wear my Fendi boots and then the pants and then the top and then everything else. So that's what I did mentally in my head. However, now I'm thinking, maybe I should go pink shoes, which means my pink dress. I don't know. Use Mother Pat's blush. This is from her second go at blush. This is the Duo, Divine Blush Duo. I put too much. And this is Cosmic Coral. I love it because, of course, it brings out a pinky, rosy tone to the cheeks. Perfect for chapter meeting when your sorority colors are pink and green. It always works. I know you guys think I put too much on, but I didn't. And when I put on my powder, it's all gonna blend together anyway. So I like to give it a little pop. Let's go into with bronzer. Again, Pat McGrath. This one is Bronze Divinity. So I'm curious, now that I put that call out, how you guys are gonna tell me you're building your wardrobe. I think some of you will say, like me, that you build from the bottom up, especially women. I don't know if my male babes will say shoes first, but curious in that too. So my male babes, let me know. Let me know what you think. This is the Amrezy. If you don't have Amrezy, don't fret, because this is sold out. But this, the actual highlight, has been re-released in a new packaging. So if you look at Anastasia Beverly Hills' newest highlight, it's in a white and rose gold packaging. I started to get it just for that. Because you know, I love all things rose gold. But since I already have the highlight, I was like, save your money, sis. Save your money. You already have the highlight. No need to buy a second one. But I'm sad. For eyeshadow today, excuse me. My goodness. For eyeshadow today, I think I'm gonna go Snow Queen. So I'm gonna use a little bit of Flurry and then Blizzard, and then I'm gonna cover the whole eye with Snowbow. Give me like a ice princess look today. And I am doing the Bella Awards again this year. This time I'm gonna do it on Christmas Eve. Either Christmas Eve or the day before. Right now I have it slated for the 23rd or 24th. So it'll either be one of those 2 days. And we're gonna do it a little bit different this time around, as I'm going to just focus on the products that were released in this year, because I did not purchase a whole lot of products overall, but I think in every category, I purchased at least one new product, I think. So we're gonna do that. And if we run out of categories and I didn't purchase anything new in that category, then we're not gonna talk about it. But so I think that's what we're gonna do this year, is really focus on those products that were released this year that I really, really loved, because then that'll minimize the amount of awards that I give out because in a lot of cases, I didn't buy a whole lot this year. You may have think I did. I really didn't. I didn't buy that much. Save for eyeshadow, I did buy a few new eyeshadow palettes, but I think even there, I have a clear idea of which ones kind of rose to the top. So that's what we're gonna do. What products you love this year? I already have started putting together my winners. But of course, I'm curious to see tightlining the eye with Wayne Goss's Obsidian pencil. We're going to talk about him and his post that he made a few days ago. Because I have some opinions about that. I have some thoughts. You know, I always have an opinion and some thoughts, right? When do I not have opinions and thoughts about something? Whether it's celebrity related, beauty related, whatever. Time for powder, babes. And today we're going to use another Givenchy, but this one is the Givenchy Prism Libre number 6. It's called Flanelle Épicée. Those who are French, correct me, girls. Powder. All right, let's spray this all down. We're gonna use the LYS Natural Finish. Babe, I've been loving this spray. It just melts my powder and it gives me such a natural finish. It really does. So I've been reaching for this, dare I say it, even more than Charlotte Tilbury. Shh, don't tell Charlotte. Don't tell Charlotte, because she's going to be upset. LYS may take over. All right, time for Lippy. And I was going back and forth on this. I don't know why my voice is like fading in and out. Hopefully it doesn't do that tomorrow for Sunday Sips, but we're going to use Prada today because I'm going to chapter meeting, so I can't go to chapter meeting with red lips. I mean, I can, but. So that is it, babes. I'm going to start getting dressed now. I'm going to put on my drop pearl earrings with the little ivy leaf on them. I'll show you what they look like. Isn't that cute? Right? Cute, right? That'll work. I decided to stay with the outfit that I chose. I'm not gonna futz around. I'm already running late. So, no time to really decide what else I could wear. So I'm gonna wear what I laid out, and that's it. Now, let's go and open these advent calendars. Okay, let's start with YSL. It's day number 9. And we're also gonna open up one of the other days as well. So day number 9, it's right here. And what do we have here? Okay, it is the Rouge Pour Couture, the Bold, in 1971. Well, that's not my year, but let's see what it looks like. It's called Rouge Provocation. Okay, we love the vessel. Isn't that cute? YSL, matte black and shiny gold. Oh, and this color is gorgeous. It's like a brick color, almost wine colorish. That's beautiful. Since we opened 5 additionally yesterday, let's go and open 4 today. So we can get all caught up. was another lippy. Yay. Look at that, babes. Isn't that pretty? Okay, next we have Cult Beauty. Number 9 right here. And yay, babes, we have our first twofer. This is Paula's Choice Clear. This is a pore normalizing cleanser. And then we have Dr. Barbara Sternum's Hyaluronic Serum. Wow, our first twofer. Finally, from our friends at In Good Taste, we have the Wine Advent Calendar, day number 9. And it is another rosé by La Pluma, Rose Wine. I think I had this last year as well. Very good, if I recall. So that is day number 9. By the way, tasting notes for this 2021 rosé from California is tangerine, grapefruit, and melon. All right, babes, thank you so much for hanging out with me while I get ready for my chapter meeting, day number 9. I hope you enjoyed all of the things that we unboxed today, and I will see you back here tomorrow for Sunday Sips Live and live Advent Calendar unboxings. Until then, you have now been Bellafied. Bye, babes.